Hi everyone. We're gonna do some rhythm exercises using duple and triple meter and also simple and compound meters. I am going to be singing through these examples that I've written, and I will be clapping the beat and actually doing the rhythm with my voice. And I will also be singing the pitches of this very simple scale going up from C to the next C once we go around the musical alphabet. So we're going to start with 6/8. Remember that 6/8 is compound duple. Compound is the subdivision of each beat is going to be 3. And this is going to be 2 beats, and each beat is going to be a dotted quarter note. And each one of these dotted quarter notes is going to subdivide into that compound beat of 3/8 notes. Okay? So I've written a combination of different values here, and different dotted values, and also some rests. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sing each bar once while clapping the beat. Then I'm going to leave one bar blank while I continue to clap the beat for you guys to repeat. Then I'm going to sing the same bar again, and then I'm going to leave it blank one more time for you guys to repeat it. So I'm going to sing each bar twice, and in between I'm going to leave blank bars for you guys to repeat after me. So I will sing, then you go. I will sing the same bar again, and then you go. And then once we've done that, we move on to the next bar. All right, so let's give this a go. Let me now play the C so that you hear what it sounds like. Do. Okay, do. I will start down here. So 1 and 2 and 3. Well, 1 and 2 and ready and go, and now do 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 re 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 me 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 fa 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 sol 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 la 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 si 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 do do. All right, so that was all 8 bars done twice. So just remember, you can go back and rewind this video and repeat it as many times as you want so you can get some practice. Let's now move on to 3/4. So 3/4 is going to be a simple meter. Each beat is going to be subdivided in 2. But this is going to be a triple meter, which means that there are going to be 3 beats per bar. And each beat in this case is going to be a quarter note, and there are going to be 3 quarter notes per bar, 3 beats per bar as well. And also each quarter note beat is going to be subdivided into 2/8 notes. You will also see that we can break 2/8 notes even further into 4/16 notes. And also note here that I will have some dotted rhythms, and I've also added some ties. So you remember that the ties add notes of the same pitch together in value, so that this no longer is a quarter note plus an 8th note, but we're adding both of those values, which ends up being a dotted quarter note in terms of time. It's just not notated the same way. So let's try this one out. So this is going to be, we're going to do it the same way. I'm going to sing each bar, then clap a blank bar for you guys to repeat. Then I'm going to sing the same bar again, and then I'm going to clap a blank bar. And then once we've done that, we move on to the next bar. We do the same thing over and over again. So we're going to start here. And let's do this at this tempo. And then let me replay the C so that we get it in our ears. Oh, let me see. There we go. Do. So 1 and 2 and 3 and do, do, do. Do, do, do. Re, 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 re. Re, 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 re. Mi, mi, mi. Mi, mi, mi. Fa, 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 fa. Fa, 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 fa. Sol, sol, sol. Sol. Sol, sol, sol. Sol. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Si, 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 si. Si, 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 si. Do, do. All right, so that's all of the 8 bars of this 3/4 example. And I don't know if you notice, there were some interesting things about this example. For example, this bar right here, I started with an eighth note, but then I wrote a quarter note and then another quarter note. The thing is, in a duple meter, because each quarter note is divided into 2, we actually ended up with kind of like this rhythm that's against the beat, like la 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 la, and that happened because we had one single eighth note, and then this quarter note came in on the second eighth note at that first beat, but then each quarter note is 2 eighth notes, so we basically shifted over each one of these attacks so that they don't line up with the beat at all. This is what's actually called syncopation. This is an idea that the word syncopation is just used in music to refer to a rhythm that is not where like the actual noted rhythm doesn't perfectly line up with the beat, and you end up with this like offbeat stuff like one and. So just thought I mentioned that in case you've never seen that before. So anyway, just practice these examples a bunch, and if you're feeling like you want to explore, you can use Noteflight or even staff paper and write them by hand, and you can make your own examples and then sing them back so that you start practicing not only writing in paper or using a notation software, and also singing and clapping rhythms so that you get the feel for it. Remember, rhythm is all about feel. It's not just about like understanding it like from like like a like it's not the point is not to understand the math behind it, but really to just get a feel for what the rhythm feels like. That's the most important thing. Anyway, this is it for this example. Just try these out as much as you want and make your own and have fun with it. Experiment. Take care.